Hi, in this video today I will show you how to install the IIS server on the Windows PC so you can connect the Internet Information Services. Okay, if you are working with the .NET framework, so you have to install the IIS server on the Windows PC in order to run the website locally or also on the server. Okay, so now I will show you step by step to install it on the Windows PC. Okay, let's get started. So you open the control panel so click on the program. Okay, so before we start to do the configuration, so I will show you some setting. You open the web browser and you type the local host on the browser here. So if you got this message, this site cannot be reached. So that means for now the local host still not installed on the Windows PC. Okay, so now you have to open the configuration for this, and you open the control panel, and here under the program and feature you click on the turn Windows feature on or off. Okay, so here you scroll down, you see here we have an option okay, we click. This is the Internet Information Services, and basically after you install it after you install the Windows PC the first time and you still not active the feature for the Internet Information Services, so when you open the turn Windows feature on or off here, the checkbox for Internet Information Services should be unchecked like this. Okay, so now you click on the plus button here to expand this feature. Here you click on the World Wide Web services, and we have the application development feature here. So now here I go ahead to check all of the thing under the application development feature. Okay, and you can also check on the web management tool. For the FTP server you can leave it by default, no need to check. And for the common, okay, no need. You can also enable all of the feature under the Internet Information Services here. Okay, so now after that you click on the OK button here to apply the new change. Okay, so after that you have to restart the Windows PC in order to apply the new change for the configuration. So now I will don't restart it at this time and do it later. Okay. Okay, so after you restart the Windows PC successfully, and in the next time when you open the browser again and type the localhost, enter it here, and after that you should be select the Internet Information Services default page should be displayed here. When you see this page, that means you have just installed the IIS server on the Windows PC successfully, and for now you can use the IIS server on the Windows PC for hosting the website for .NET framework application. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you, and after you finish this one you know how to do the configuration to enable the Internet Information Services on the Windows PC. Okay, hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and talk to you later.